Asante Kotoko Manchana Klebono Ababeti Eduera Jima Nashudabi Eduera Jima Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The last time I'm winning away game 21st December 2024. Hebra Omokochi Dreams Ebomo 2 goals. Mamutimi Etimuba. 47 minutes gone. Justice Belay. Wejemu back to Justice Belay. Bere Jabono Edibona Kwakoma. Lord Amoa. Lord Amoa. Lord in the Crabon. Lord Amoa. Lord Wabone Tentina Chitabosuna should there be. Abet Amoa. Abet Amoa. Wapimbona Tima. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 12 goals. Bona Babeti. Gofred Bachi. Gofred. Wejemu di Akwakoma Emmanuel Atafrimpong. Attack at the Akwakoma Edimon Edward Ajiman. Edward Enya free kick. Ediama Vision Football Club. Edward Ejemu back to Edward. Wapiamba on the Bona Kwachiri. 48 minutes. Live on Original TV, Metro TV. Beautiful play. Kotoko defender in that form. Referee and talking so counter a chance for Vision. Hey go. Vision FC. Vision FC Omatu Amoka. Vision FC Fuatu Amoka. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 1 Onunkoni goalkeeper. Kamara Nkwa. Ano place bonde twatana. Atimona Asante. We in the 15th game this season. Already was 3 goals. We in the 4th goal at the Vision Football Club. Was it your Young Apostles? Was it your Bibiani Gold Stars? And was it your Bechem United? We and the great Tosoma Kumakwana, Shenibio, Daniel Yemo, and a crossover on the by Obianio, and a branch of an Edmond Asante. Place on the Twatna, no problem at all. Edmond Asante Wateka. Vision FC 1, Kumasi Asante Kotoko 1.
Justice Collie, very, very good goal by all standard. And in the first half, no, Nyamabise and Anna Vision FC were missing because Ombo in a final third, the bedroom hono, Nipa or Bebono, and Atwatana, and Anna Aka. And a very good and tactical change from Nanakweku Ajeman. Edmond Asante, Oba Haseya, Yedim say, watching it in Salvation Ebo, Obe make a difference, no, and a branch any Bemuno, and chair, Wabenya equalizer, Edama Vision FC, and it is a very, very good goal by all standard from Vision FC, Justice Collie.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko branch about Quepie, Ede Franco Pamanoso, Ocha build up na, and a branchano, what is she? Now so center referee a play advantage. Referee play advantage. Edema Vision FC and Edmond Asante was at the right place at the right time. And on the bonnet water, Washani go at Tosonai, Edema Vision Football Club. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I concede almost 16th away goal before this game. No more concede 15 goals, no more 11 goals, until almost 12 goals. I concede 16 goals this season. Ewa we Vision FC as almost 20th home goal. I consider 11 goals this season. Ewo ni Ajay Krakuda second sports complex. 52 minutes gone. Live coverage of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. V34. Edmond Asante. Asante. Beautiful pass. Back to Edmond. Edmond, lovely pass. Bono Ekra. Vision. Watane. Vision FC. Passing Entimanko. Beautiful turning from Emmanuel Entry. Edmond Asante. Hope again was some BBM. Vision FC Manchene crab on Pona Kwakoti Goffred Bachi. Goffred Pony Chencheni Bono Koni Fanso. Piambo on the Monaura. A chance! Now should I be? And Andrews in team Manu. Went man to again or so. Michael Che Jamana Ababeshananai. 54 minutes. Chabono Pono Vision FC.
Omo Kenya mo and Vision Asante
Ebene 7 goal. Edmond Asante. Beautiful pass. A chance, Daniel Yemo now so there be. Daniel Yemo now second half.
yeah, Abua team nepa. Onya ball now to Muso be any done so and also the entire then Ebemu in the second half.
Justice Blay. Emmanuel Entry control on a beautiful turning from Emmanuel Entry. Bonnet 10-10 the bon achrim. Deu Dabi short to Nentimanko. Lo Edward Achiman, where Germany are common. Samba went in Sentima Cambono. A chance for fishing, another chance for fishing, a chance for Misha Kajete Soa. Only a branch and Daniel Yemo. $59 minutes. Football club. Biara sa wabonubu.
Any
Doko e chan. Corner kicker called Diamant Fabulous. Bako Atiago Pamanaso. Daniel Jemu. 23 matches. We're in a 24th game this season. Washa 4 goals. Enyanwa Ochensa. Oshe Tiame Diama. Oshe 2 goals against Samatesh. Against Baseke Holy Stars. Ebra Vision Yomo first Premier League win. Ewa Gopa Maiso. Ono Nepote Oli Go Etima. Vision Football Club. Emo Munyomo first win. Ewa Agopa Maiso. 6 October 2024. Net week 5. 43rd minute. And Osesa Gono Etima. Vision Football Club. Emo Munyomo first win. Ewa ni Ajay Krakuda second sports complex. $61 minutes. Sima Adiosia Eba contaminate. Corner kick, Deuda Saka ne Jambonechi. Deuda Saka. Wabone 10-10 now should have be. Vision Nantana Club on the fuel. Throw in a court, Yama Fabulous. What to born at 10. Now so, it you that man, what club on the fuel. Throw in a court, Yama Vision Football Club. 16 home matches and a visionable. Omo winning 8 matches, I draw 7, Alusu. Just one game. After so Mulusu week 11 on 17th November 2024 to Dreams FC. About 10 matches. Obi antimi shomo agopa maiso.
Yeah, Justice Collie, Vision FC the last 5 games. Wabono nyama ekoye ere emano. So far we winning 4 and we lose just 1. So say the last 10 games our boy has here still nyama koye no. Enyemwa because modern bono after say Kenya a free relegation zone no. Bon modern pa.
63 minutes. Shima Diosian Amiaksa live on Original TV, live on Metro TV. 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League Week 34. Coach Nana Kwekwajima. Oh, what's this? Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Draw 8 matches away this season. Timanko. A true in a Kodiama Fabulous. 64 minutes. Shima Diusia and I, Deuda Saka. Piabon de Bona Confifin. Back to Deuda. Deuda Saka. Deuda Saka now should I be. Corner kick. Godfred Boache. What block is short on other form. Godfred Boache. Way in the 22nd game this season. Edema Vision Football Club. Godfred Boache. What's it from?
Collier, I think Godfred Boache and then modern Bono was true because Oshe chances be a Kumasi Asante Kotoko boys Nenya say or defending or clubbing. I think so. I had the pa.
"65 minutes. Deuda Saka catch a referee time no kwana eko. Vision abante wako enso eta form. Adrian Ajiman we sign the captain's band on Edia Koma Emmanuel Atta Frempong Daniel Mo AP Daniel Jemo AP Ama Labaran Majid Alidu Ababeshananai Daniel Jemo 4 goals in 24 matches this season. Opie Ama Labaran Ababeshananai. Coach Kwekwajiman opeseni place no. Enya bo ni bibonti. Kona kick kwa bwana tentena so dabi. Vishim ranchana aklebone de fuel. Meshak Sanso ena Edward Jimana pie ama Elijah Kusi Nana Asante Enso Abagame Idris Elijah Enso Abagame bi Ebebo Diama Obo Ediama Vision Football Club 67 minutes still Vision Ashabako Kotoko Ashabako 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League Week 34 Vision Abrante Bako so Edafom.
Justice College, so far 69 minutes of gameplay. You are witnessing a very, very good game by all standard. And Senior Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the first half now on modern one ever from Nimuno on Benya Go no Esa Etanawa Ama Vision Ebe Kenya Omo in the second half and also Ebetimi Ebenya equalizer. Now Ubia Air Presse Obetimi IBB Edashe Omo Nyam. Kumasi Asante Kotoko wa beti abefa Omo area kwa eno boa tactically coaches na idea no or the banner who play to the role and I say the tactics are obona. I think say eno be boa ama team no etumi e win. So far so good our two teams ni nyina afem.
69 minutes. And we'll find Tosum live coverage of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League Week 34. The last round of matches. Kwame Poku Nanso Yamane Kwamananko. Beautiful play. Vision FC Mnanteno. Bona Kwakodi. Edred. Godfred Wachimum. Watiachi Fikiketia. Patrick Kasiedu. Ishaloka Teko Ediama Patrick Kasiedu. 70 minutes, 20 more minutes to go. Akasima Makon Aduno. Jean-Fabian Toswanafe Edikeni na Panajeye. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omawini just 3 away games.
FC Air ball no and omunya ball na say confidence ne wo ho. Omo touch ball no with them knowing say me player we jina say me the ball ne mana obetimi age ball no and I think say eno ka ho ena ene we pemu e wo ase ya omunsa eda Kumasi Asante Kotoko so eba ne say yemo ball na nemo no final third no omudru ho no ma de obeka ball na tumu no ena akwa the only problem na Kwegu Agyeman and Vision FC omo elake
Fikike Kotiama Dreams Football Club. A branch of an Deuda Saka APA area fee game. No. Elvis Cheiba for Ebum. Deuda Saka, former Tano Bofwaka player, ni teammate pa enemy yonko Patrick Mboma. Patrick Mboma, no ni Bobo Bruta, but a chance now should be. Patrick Mboma, no ni Bobo Bruta. Okosunya and then Potemua, no ni Bobo Bruta. Patrick Mboma, Nanso. Nedia Nakwe something BBO, or they are cotton United Kingdom, Edipa.
Just call you body there, you be a obetimi abobo.
That was not in Bobo Pa. Kobri Kumasana now Bobo Pa. Ubru never say.
A long story.
A long story. Oh. Maestro. Maestro. Maestro, our former player, Edema Bekumasana. Arsenal for Alhaji Yakubu Moro. Enini Bruta. Asante. Now should there be offside? Offside. 73 minutes gone. Bon. Lord Amoa. Pochabo ni bona kwachi abone tente. Elvis Nansudabi. Kevis Ebo Faishia Menanso Amfa. Elvis Bona Bona and Timamfa. Piabon de Bona Coni Fanso, Vision FC Nanchani Crabon. A throw in. Tubon de Akakoma Godfred Watch it. Watch control ball no. We job on no dia bam 15. Vision FC Football Club. Vision FC 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League in Mobile Premier League in Omota 11th on the league table. 53 matches, Oma winning 10 matches. A chance for Vision FC. Asante Nanso Derby Lord Amuama Okwan. Asante once again, Etimon Asante. Piabono, a chance Nanso Derby. Jamakwan Vision. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Branteba Koda Agopamanson Samba. Gilebani O'Neill Ndongani Samba. Other form. Until temporary hold up 74 minutes. 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Week 34, 75 minutes gone, 15 more minutes to go.
Yeah.
Akasima Etunum, Yamfabian Toswa, near the Kenny Banavi.
Just Coley, I think incident is here. Referee the right call. And Oshaya, after say Samba O'Neill, a control ball, a car in Nim Honomono, or delay a car, and Untema attack and be ye born a branch and 9 a car ball, and yes, Samba O'Neill. It's a good call from referee Atiapa.
Center referee Afonso Atiapa. Corner kick called Diama Vision Football Club. Vision Football Club. Our first win our Kupa Mainsu was 6 October 2024. Week 5. Wama short pass. Sencha Bonde Bona Kobin Kunso. Mishak Betmakwan. Mishak. On it every table for Mishak. Mishak Nanso Derby. Justice player man a corner kick. Corner kick called Tiama Vision Football Club. 76 minutes gone. Sima Adiosun Ensia. Akasima Edunai. Yam Fabian Toswa. Near de Nina Bonnet 10 Bonnet Nanso Derby. Kotoko Mrantano. Some other commanding goalkeeper Godwin. When they third appearance this season, Wakipu 2 clean sheets at Diama Vision Football Club Nansone. Emmanuel Entry at the ball by Quato Natinum. Capito Teiba 4. Lotamoa Teiba 4 Yaman Kwamana Kofiki. Fikik Etia Nana Kusi Asante. 13 more minutes to go. Akashima Marco Tumiansha. Justice Billy. Wajamadi Akoma Emmanuel Entry. Batu Emmanuel Entry. Emmanuel Entry Piambono. Bonukra. A chance for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. FHA Balfour. Wajamadi Akoma Lotamoa. Chance now should there be. Vision Mantana Clebon. Justice Billy. Wapiadiama Entry. A chance for Kotoko now should there be. FHA Balfour. Wababona Tokne. Goal kick. Called Diama Vision Football Club. I can't see any more here. Aka Sima Edu Emienu. Not yet this season in a Panaje 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Week 34. Kotoko Ashabako, Vision Ashabako, beautiful intervention. Bonabedi Nana Asante. Asante Jamudi Akwachi. Ali Mohammed Akontobono. Shema Vision. Ali Mohammed. Former player of Accra Lions. Wabode Matamale City Ajati. Mishak Nanso Derby. Shamana Kwamana Korafisi and Twagene so. Free kick called Yama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 79 minutes. 11 more minutes to go.
Justice Coley, baby, time ne Bruno, 8 Abreno, Una 1 year, you bet me a show. And with Washa, 2 teams in aggressiveness, no, ever honor. Obia train him say, mistake the Amani team and concede. And the coaches, Neswa Soria, Obia training ranches and all. This where you bet me and go free because players.
Justice Blay. Wojabo on the Kwakoma. Albert Bonaco Division 18 boxing. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 3 wins in 16 matches. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Albert a shot now should be. No problem at all for goalkeeper Godwin Ametefe. No problem at all. 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League Week 34 Alpha Production and Taromania de live coverage. Jete Mamo Panagie. Live coverage Alpha Production and Taroma. And they are live on Original TV, live on Metro TV, Alpha Sports GH Ubenya Biache. The commentator and calling Sajay from Justice call
so far a brand you hold
Vision FC. Vision FC. Omo to atene tosumienu. Hapranche Fani Duku. Ofri Brinch. Abayanche. Frank Apora Duku. Ofri Benche Abayanche. Wababombote atu atene tosumienu. Adiama Vision Football Club. Hapranche Fani Duku. Onuna Bomodia was a Atiama Vision way and the 21st game round. No problem at all. 18-year boxing and no place on the Tottenham. 82 minutes. Vision FC 2. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 0.
That is called a very, very good goal by our standard. And Medican catcher will say, baby, a time need Bruno. Coaches, no players, no be a shame him say, Obetimenya winning goal. What would defenders? Ebe Breno, ona likely say game you bet me elusu. And so far, we a chance by a version FC take leader. Just call it modern one so any area. Probably about be so be supporting version FC no. I don't think say game
a chance. Nasudabi.
I don't think say game option Obeka say Ebia Watuni Sikegu. And this is the Ghana Premier League. This is our own. Let's cherish our own.
Vision, a win for them. Eduambako 9 wins in 17 matches. Phobia Ebaha, Ebebo draw. Diana Stars sitting now for 1 point now. So Kumasi Asante Kotoko formable. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ebe Kotoko into the Toso Emako Ensia away. Already Kotoko winning 5 away games. Lord Amoa, Wama pass. Justice Billy now should there be 2 against 1. 2 against 1 and so goalkeeper Muhammad Kamara. A chance now should there be 85 minutes. Simama Kuma Kwadiochi Enum 85 minutes gone. Kumasi Asante Kotoko for my cameo no Matimubako.
And Justice Kole Oshe Goni Ude Sashe Boni Bio and Shedia Boni free. Once again, defensive error from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And set it to Honum and my captain. They say, Omobono and Oboyano. There is no way Kamara bet me Archie. It is really a very good goal by our standard for Vision FC.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko to 5 away matches. Data Nshatreman FC Shomo, Accra Lions Shomo, Nations FC Shomo, Nina away, NFA, Bechem United Shomo, Legon City, and they put 2 breaks on Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Our Premier League in Webe into the Tosinsia, Edema Fabulous, every chamber for Passion and Timanco, Vision Football Club Montane Crabono. Live coverage of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League with 34. Jeboia, yeah, this is in Urban of Jay. Bibiani Gold Stars, a chance, now should I be? Bibiani Gold Stars.
Yeah, Justice Coley, Ghana Premier League this season, Abe Krabeshe, and after match day 33, still you winner, and today, and the bet determined. Senior Udikan Ekan and said, Bibiani Gold Stars are leading by 3-0, and Nations at Nefi, Amapando out of Lions.
A chance for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, now should I be? Corner kick. Kwame Poku, Yamana Kwamana Mabono. Corner kick, Ejama Fabulous. Live on Original TV. Live coverage, Anya de Bramo. Live on Metro TV. And for production and Taromania, live coverage in the Bram. Corner for Kotoko. Another corner kick. Kodjama Fabulous. 3 more minutes to go. Akasima Makoma Komiangsa. Yam Fabian Tosa, Lord Amoa. And the 21st appearance this season. Wabone Tenteni Bonachemo. Visim Nantana Pimbon, Antimanko. Emmanuel Anchi. Pimbon and Sobiano. Visim Nantano, Aklebon Antimanko, Lord Amoa. For Kotoko. A chance for Kotoko Nanso, Elvis, Antiman Fabonanko. Wababona Trokwe throwing. 2 more minutes to go. Akasima Mienu Yam Fabian Tosua. Na Yatima Chinebana Wiye. 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Week 25. Bonabede Lord Amoa. Lord Bonnet 10 now should there be Fishing Nantana Pimbon in the fuel. Samba O'Neill. Wejabo on the Bonacquachi. Fabulous Mountain Crabon. Bonnet Bonabedi Center Cycle. Anthony Emmanuel Anchi. Anchi Jabon the Coma Lord Amoa. Lord Amoa. A chance for Kotoko. Lord Amoa now should there be. Beautiful intervention. Bonabedi Edmond Asante ne Krabono. Mishak Kachete. Nanso Dabi. Mishak personal boy Nantimanko.
Just Coley, many are Jason and Anaku Kwajiman. I build a team, and what yeah, shake game, Ubia, it will say yes. Version FC, say a band say, oh, home dear. It's not easy to say, obey me, it's only Dreams FC. And a bar say it to me, every near. But from there, no behind to me in Renia. This time, and also leading by 2-1. I'm sure say Vision Eba Premier League nim. Now on Botaye, no more die so say Yebeka League nim. Say Premiership League no I don't know Eba na. And I think say ye cut different thing at my Vision.
90 minutes now, so 4 minutes in the to search for Kotoko now should there be. Shimama Kumakwen 9 near the Atoso. 4 minutes and near the Atoso. Live coverage from the Ajay Kraku, the second sports complex 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League week 34. Akasima Miangsa near the season in Banaje. Vision FC LED Kotoko by 2-1. Omoko away, Kotoko Etimalishomo. Eshamo 4 goals. Amamotimu Bako. Free kick Kodjama Fabulous. Justice Blay. Wajabodia Confinfin. Calabon de Fuo. Kofi. Bra Kofi Ernest Vo. Ni teammate ni ona so amodiano Omato Twari.
Chance Collier,
chamber for
Unim say Oko Kobe Mana, Kwekusika, Zedan, Onusuni teammate, no, that's why I never cannot think Kola, a training on Mabo.
Kofi Nistivo, dear, Omodiano. Yeah, a chance for Vichy. A goal! Frank Apora Duku. Ofi bench Nabai. Wabebo. 2 goals. And a 2020. 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Ejanyamba Bedru. Vision Football Club 34. Amachi Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Apo amwe kapari pole miengsa. Ama Kotoko etimi atia kanibako. Yadini nyina abanawe awa gopa wanso. Vision omwanya omo 9th home victory after 17 games awa gopa wanso. Live coverage Alpha Production Omantaroma Ano Chichini Bankwae Uo Domainko Uo Bekum Uo Sunyane Uo Chichiria Aye Alpha Uo Sedabia Now the Ama Alpha Sport DH Essence Omantaroma and the live coverage 2024-2025 Yadina Adebrow Uo Kumase Babia Wobia Atonsu Domainko Konya Jerusalem Babia Wobia Oda no Bompire Ama Alpha Production Omantaroma and the live coverage of the 2024-2025 season Yadi Bramo. A commentator from day one. I am calling Sajay from Justice Kole. Yadi season in Abanawi. Asida Kasia court about the Ghana Football Association. Sanso Anna Dr. Kuku Baini. Dr. Kuku Baini. Ono another president Adema Alpha Production. Yadinina Abanawe, Medini calling Sajay from Justice. It is all over Vision 3 Kotoko 1. Yeah, call page na fe dia kosonom ya dia toso e dia mamu.
They deserve to win. So you know Wilson, it will give the advantage to the opposite team. So after the ball is spoiled, before you come back and say foul against you. That is why, but you just leave them.
Okay, now let's look forward. Your next match will be the MTN FA Cup. And the window has also opened. What should we expect from Kumasi and Asante Kotoko?
Definitely, we have to do some recruitment, and then we'll make sure that we qualify for the FA Cup.
Okay, Coach, better luck next time. So that was Coach Abdul Karim Zito tasting his first defeat since he took over Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And to no other side but Vision FC. And I can tell you, Vision FC in the Ghana Premier League, they lost. The only match that they lost was against Dreams FC, who was being coached by Karim Zito. Coach Nana Kweku Ajuma. Coach, congratulations. Let me call you by your words. You said you were going to conquer, and you've done that. Coach, tactically, strategically, what happened?
The idea was to overload Kotoko in the middle of the field because we know that Kotoko is very good. Their midfielders from defensive all the way to offensive, very, very good players. If you give them the chance, they would always play around you. So the idea was to press them hard, win the ball in the middle, and probably try to counter. So when we are starting play, what we do is that when the ball goes to the right side, the right winger will drop inside and become the fourth midfielder.
Okay.
That gives us the box in the middle, which allows Sanja, who was at the right back, to play like a wing back. And then we would overload, play through, bring the ball to the left side, move Kotoko to the left side, find Soa, so that we can switch to the other side and attack from there. So we realized that most of the goals came from that side. I think it worked pretty well. The overloads was there, the passing was there. We played the up back and through the give and goes. We didn't delay too much. The few times that we delayed on the ball, we realized that we lost the ball. But when they were disciplined, they kept it simple, one touch, two touches. You realize that they really played well. So we played through the thirds, we got there, we were able to get the goals, and that was wonderful.
Okay, so at the end of the league ascended, the position that you placed, I think that once you did not go to relegation, it's a respectable position. What should we expect from next season? Any recruitment ideas? This team, I can see that now. The telepathy and the cohesion is working. What should you expect from your team?
I mean, in every team, every season, you try to refresh it. So mostly, some of the older players are going to go, definitely. And then we are also going to bring in some of the younger ones as well. What we need are players that are very comfortable on the ball, players that are energetic, can press to win the ball when we lose it. We need that energy. Because if you play the man-to-man pressing, we need that energy. We need that tactical sense to be able to win the ball. We need to overload the areas that we are defending in. So we're going to bring in brilliant defenders. We're going to bring in midfielders that are young enough but technical enough to be able to play. We're going to bring in forward liners that have speed and will be able to score goals pretty much.
So congratulations once again, Nana Kwakwakima, the coach of
And
Vision
don't
FC.
forget, I told you that after this, whether win, draw or loss, I was going to go to my idol, Karim.
Yes,
He was
that
going to
is what
bless
he
me.
said.
I did. I went there. He put his hands on me. He blessed me.
Okay.
So thank you.